new office, new style of recording, and yeah, new office, new studio. Nice background. You like it? Do leave a comment. I think there's a hole back there, but I'm sure you can avoid that while you're talking about it. So today I'm going to talk about two coffees. Now, both of these coffees are from Sierra Coffee. This one. And I realized that I haven't really done a proper review of that coffee, so I thought this is going to be an apt moment to review this coffee. Plus, I thought that I've been into filter coffee for quite some time, and obviously you can tell that from my videos. And I was starting to miss the French press, so I made coffee from the French press, and I realized that the sludge, the taste of that sludge inside the coffee, the sediment is really starting to bother me, and I thought that how can I get rid of that? So I thought why not filter it through a V60, and then I thought that probably we should compare the taste of a V60 filter coffee and a French press which has been filtered through a V60. Now, my methods of making a V60 and my method of making a pour over, you can see them on the top over there, and I'll leave a link to these methods in the description below as well. So here we are. These are the two coffees. Let me see which one is which. Okay. This is the filtered French press, and this is the simple V60. Now we have to compare these two coffees and tell the taste difference, a difference of taste. Plus, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the coffee from Laos. I've got the same ratio, despite the fact that people tell you that you should keep a stronger ratio when it comes to the French press. But I've kept the same ratio, which is about 15 grams of coffee to about 250 grams of water. That's my ratio. And the taste is, I must say, very, very similar. So let's first of all, let's tell you a little bit about the taste of coffee from Laos. Now this is a medium roast. Now the difference between these two coffees. This one is obviously a little stronger. This is the French press. It has a little bit more bitterness than this one, and the coffee has a more clear taste palette to it. You can tell that there is a heavy body, there is a certain level of acidity in it. Obviously it's slightly more muted in this one, but it's more pronounced in the French press. Now that I've taken out the sludge out of the French press, I can really taste the difference, and the difference is very subtle. One is slightly stronger than the other one because because this is an immersion method as opposed to the percolation method. So this has got to have a little bitter taste. Okay, so my final words. I think both of these coffees are very, very, very similar. You can feel the fruits and the heavy-bodied feel to the coffee a little more clearly in the French press than in the V60. That's my basic analysis. This is an excellent coffee, and I enjoy it very much. It's got a very unique taste as compared to Guatemala or Ethiopia or any other place. The terrain and the area really, it gives it a uniqueness to the taste. You can obviously feel that once you start tasting coffee. It's very nice indeed. Okay, so but more importantly, have you performed an experiment like this? Do you use a V60 after preparing a French press? Have you done that? I haven't really heard many people doing that, and it's a very simple process, nothing very complicated about it. But have you done that? What was your take on the difference of taste between the two? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you guys. For now, thank you very much for watching, and I do hope you like this new setup of mine. Obviously, it's going to improve over time. Right now, this is just in preliminary stages, but later on we're going to improve it surely, slowly but surely. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.